Have you ever wondered how Netflix knows exactly what movie you'll love? Or how Amazon predicts what you might buy next? It's not magic, it's data analytics. In today's video, we'll break down what data analytics is, how it works, and why it's one of the most in-demand skills today. Let's get started. Data analytics is the process of collecting, analyzing, and interpreting data to make better decisions. Think of it like this. Imagine you own an ice cream shop. You notice that chocolate flavor sells more in summer, but vanilla is more popular in winter. By looking at past sales data, you can predict what to stock more of in the future. That's data analytics in action. But why does data analytics matter? Well, businesses use data to make smarter decisions. For example, Netflix recommends movies based on what you've watched before. Banks use data to detect fraud and prevent stolen credit cards. Online stores like Amazon predict what you'll buy next based on your past purchases. Hospitals analyze patient data to detect diseases earlier. In simple terms, data analytics helps companies work smarter, not harder. There are 4 main types of data analytics, and each one helps businesses differently. Descriptive analytics. What happened? This looks at past data to find trends. For example, a clothing store might check which items sold the most last year. Diagnostic analytics. Why did it happen? This finds the reasons behind the trends. If sales dropped, was it because of bad weather, higher prices, or something else? Predictive analytics. What will happen next? This helps businesses make future predictions, like how supermarkets stock more snacks before a big football game. Prescriptive analytics. What should we do? This gives recommendations. For example, Uber uses data to adjust prices based on demand. Data analytics is everywhere. Let's look at some cool real-world examples. Netflix uses data to recommend the best shows for you. Airlines use data to predict flight delays. Retail stores use it to track shopping trends and stock the right products. Social media platforms analyze your behavior to show the perfect ads. Whether you're watching a movie, booking a flight, or shopping online, data analytics is working behind the scenes. So, how can you start learning data analytics? Here are the key skills you'll need. Excel and Google Sheets. For organizing and analyzing data, SQL. For working with databases. Data visualization tools like Power BI and Tableau Python. For advanced data analysis. And the best part? You don't need a degree to learn. Here are some free resources to get started. Kaggle. Free datasets for practice. Google Data Analytics. Certification. Beginner-friendly course. YouTube tutorials. Like this one. And that's data analytics in a nutshell. Now you know what it is, why it's important, and how you can start learning today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more beginner-friendly tech videos. And let me know in the comments, what part of data analytics interests you the most? Next up, we'll talk about how to become a data analyst in 2025, so stay tuned.